So this is for the people who actually DM me a lot about the Kaal Bhairav Jayanthi, which happened Tuesday and also today, 6th December 2023, and which is Wednesday. So the thing is, if you can't do it on that particular day, it doesn't mean that it's not going to work or anything. It's just that day is very auspicious for you to start the thing and to do the things. If you can't do it on that day, then you can actually start it on the next day, or any days that you feel like this is the day that I want to start, and you're praying to him. You are literally asking him for the guidance and everything. Obviously it is going to work as long you put your faith on it and doing it. Definitely it's going to work. So the certain days that is we see in a Hindu calendars, it means it's a very auspicious day to start. That's what it means. If you can't do it on that day, then you can do it on the next day, or the day coming on, whenever you are having off days because of your work or anything. Then you can do it on your off days. Why not? You can. It is all about your faith. As long as you have that belief it is going to work, it is going to work. So I hope this one helps. Thank you.